Hello, hello. This is a quick video to show you how to grant access to Google Search Console. So first of all, make sure that you logged in with the right Google account in here, because sometimes Google is going to shift you from an account to another. Once you're good with that, make sure that you are logged in under the right domain or the right Google Search Console property. And once you're good, you scroll to the bottom, settings. And here you've got, if you don't have this portion here, that means you're not a full owner or admin. So unfortunately, you might not be able to have this section here, user and permission. If you do, you click here and then click add users. You type the email address and then you can put full. There is only one owner per Search Console. That should be you. Full will give us access to be able to connect it and integrate it with the other solution and to be able to pull report. Restricted is very too much restricted, so we won't be able to access the data there. So we advise you to select full in here and type the relevant email addresses that you've been given. Thank you very much.